Welcome to this quick guide where I'm going to show you how to create a new user account in Windows 10. To start, head down to your Start button and then right-click on it. Next, you want to go to Settings and then click on that. Once you get here, you want to find Accounts and then click on that. And then from this list here on the left, you'll need to find the Family and Other Users tab and then click on that. Then you'll have this option that says Add someone else to this PC. Go ahead and click on that. Now by default, you'll be prompted to add the new user's email address or phone number so you can sign into their Microsoft account. And if you wanted to sign in with a Microsoft account, you can do this and follow these prompts. But I'm going to show you how to add a local account to Windows 10. So for that, just head down to this option where it says I don't have this person's sign-in information and then click on that. Once again, Microsoft will try and get you to add a Microsoft account, but just head down to the option where it says add a user without a Microsoft account. And then we get to this screen where we'll need to enter a username and a password if we wanted to. So for this tutorial, I'll just give this username the name of a user, and I won't be adding a password. If you want to add a password, just be aware that you'll need to enter the same password twice. And once you've done that, just click on Next. And then you'll see there's a new user account on the system. Now, by default, this will be a standard account, meaning it won't be an administrator. So what I recommend doing is, if you want this new user to have admin rights, you'll need to click on this Change Account Type button, and then change the account type from standard user to administrator. Once you've done that, you can just click on OK. So if I go down to my Start button, and click on the user profiles here, there'll be a new user that we just created. I hope you found this guide useful. If you did, please leave a like on the video and consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks so much for watching.